here comes another one. This is an external hard drive which I purchased recently. It's made by Seagate. As you can see here, it's about to be unboxed. So have a look at it. An external hard drive of 2 TB capacity by Seagate. This will be the unboxing video. You just stay tuned while I do justice to it. So here's the pack. Now it's been opened. It looks just like this. You can see that's the hard drive there, the external hard drive, the 2 TB external hard drive. Right, it's well packed, as you can see. This is the cable that links up with the PC, and this is the hard drive itself. Opening the hard drive, you can see here it's well packed and sealed, unbroken, unopened. And here is like the manual. Like everyone who has been watching my videos, you know I don't read manuals because it's pretty easy to navigate this, because I have used a number of them before, so I think this is just for keeps, if you ask me. This is more instructions on how to use the Seagate. What's this? This is more data recovery services. Okay, for later read, but not for now. Now this is the hard drive, and I'll be opening it right here in this video. Right, so to open it, I will go this way. There you go. That's the hard drive itself, looking so clean and light. It's really light and easy to handle, and the cord is right here, sealed as well. The cord, for anyone who has used any of this before, the cord goes into here. This bit goes into the hard drive, and this bit goes into the PC, and the transfer progresses. Guys, this is a pretty easy video and simple video. I won't be taking so long describing to you how to use this, because most of you can already. Plug this to your PC and this to your hard drive, and you're good to go. This is the Seagate 2 TB external hard drive, portable hard drive for external storage. So there you go, guys. I will be using this and be reviewing it subsequently, maybe, to tell you how I found this hard drive. I've used a number of them before, but this is my first Seagate product to use, so I'll be sharing that with you later. But for now, it's been me reviewing this video, reviewing the external hard drive, the 2 TB external hard drive by Seagate. And for now, it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.